Hello friends, today we are going to learn 3 easy veggie burger recipes. Veggies and beans are a great source of protein and vitamins. We don't have to buy from store the pre-made frozen ones or the fatty patties when we can make it at home and keep it healthy. All the veggie burger recipes we are sharing today is 100% vegetarian, and pretty soon you'll find some vegan burger recipes as well. We are going to make today 3 veggie burgers: Tofu Burger, Beetroot Burger, and Potato Black Beans Burger by using fresh herbs if you have it at your home, or you can use the dried herbs from our own pantries. These veggie burgers are irresistible, delicious, and very satisfying. So first off, we're going to start with potato beans burger. We're going to take 2 medium-sized potato, grated, green peas, sweet bell peppers, coriander leaves, carrots, some mixed herbs, cumin powder, and sesame seeds. Now we will move our potatoes that we grated earlier to a large bowl and start mixing all other ingredients. A medium-sized carrot that we grated earlier, green peas. Here we have used 3 mini sweet bell peppers, finely chopped. Up next is a mixed herb, that is parsley and basil. A cumin powder, a 1/4 spoon. A little bit of coriander leaves. And about 1/2 spoon of sesame seed. Let's add about 1 to 2 spoons of olive oil. And let's mix all the ingredients nicely. The idea is that all the spices and veggies should be nicely mixed with the spices. Let's add about a 1/4 spoon of salt. We'll add a little bit of breadcrumbs. The texture is looking pretty nice at this point, but I think in order to make our patties, we would like this mixture to be a little bit more finer pieces. So we'll put it in a blender and let's give it a quick swirl so that at least the pieces are more finer. Let's give it a quick swirl and then stop it. Perfect texture now, which we were hoping to achieve. At this point, now we are going to add some breadcrumbs to the solution, because that's one of the ingredients which gives the burger the crunchiness and also the crispiness. Now we are ready to make our patties, so we'll move on to our grill. Let's spray some cooking oil in our pan and we can start making our patties. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes for the patties to cook nicely from both sides. So we flip them in like maybe 2 minutes from other side and let it cook other side. Our patties are coming up good. It's cooking up good, and you can see some grill mark also on the other side of the patties. So we'll flip it again. And one thing is to remember that we don't have to flip them very frequently because it might break because we have not added any kind of flour in this recipe. So here you go, your potatoes, peas, burger patties. Up next is one of my favorites, beetroot and beans burger. Let's look at the ingredients. We have beetroot, 1 medium size, parsley leaves, red onion, cumin powder, about 1/4 spoon, salt to taste, mixed beans, breadcrumbs, chili flakes, and about 1/4 spoon of black pepper. For this recipe, I'm using this 6-bean blend from store, the canned one, and it's really good. So let's start our beetroot and beans burger patties. We'll take our beans, mixed beans, in a large bowl, and we'll start crushing them. And we have to mash the beans. We can either use a fork or you can use your hand and just keep pressing it and mash it. Our beans have been nicely mashed. In this, now we are going to add our beetroot, which we grated it with a grater, and the fine grate. Now we can mix it. 1 medium red onion, finely chopped. Parsley leaves, finely chopped. Cumin powder. Salt to taste. Black pepper and red chili flakes. Now let's mix all our ingredients. The idea is all the spices and our veggies, beans, beetroot should be all blended in, and all the spices, this is where the flavor is coming from. At this point, we are going to add 1 to 2 spoons of olive oil and some breadcrumbs. Looks like our mixture is now ready to make patties. So we'll try testing making a ball. Let's drizzle the pan with some vegetable oil. So now we will start making our patties. So we'll take a kind of ball which kind of fits in your hand, in your palm, and we'll press it and put it in our pan. And remember, since we have not added any flour to this recipe, these burgers tend to break, but then we have to do it carefully. Our patties are almost done at this point. Here you go, our beetroot beans burgers is ready. What we are going to make today is tofu burger patties. Tofu is low in calories but high in protein and fat, and it also contains many important vitamins and minerals. So let's get started. So let's look at our ingredients. Tofu 250 grams, coriander leaves, black pepper, salt, breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, cumin powder, cayenne pepper, scallion, and paprika. So we'll take our tofu in a big bowl and we will crush the tofu with our fork, or you can use your hands. At this point, we're going to add the cayenne pepper, which we had finely chopped. Scallion or green onion, finely chopped. Cumin powder, about 1/4 spoon. Coriander leaves, finely chopped. Salt to taste. Paprika, little bit black pepper, and now we mix all our ingredients. At this point, we add some all-purpose flour, depending on how much we need. So we'll put a couple of spoons and then mix all the ingredients and see how it's holding up. And now our final ingredient, the breadcrumbs. And add about 1 to 2 spoons of olive oil. Now we'll check it out and see how if the mixture is holding up for making our patties, if we can make a ball out of it. So looks like it's pretty good and ready to go on the grill. Let's drizzle the pan with some vegetable oil. Our pan is nicely hot at this point, and we'll keep the heat on medium, low to medium. The cooking time for our patties is about 5 to 7 minutes. We don't have to overcook, and just to drizzle some oil. On medium heat, we'll grill our patties for about 4 to 6 minutes. Let's flip them over and cook for other side for about 2 minutes. The patties are nicely done at this point, so now we'll take them off, remove it off the pan. Here you go, your tofu burger patties. We will also grill our bun for like about a minute or two. Spray them with some cooking oil. You can even use butter for the oiling. It's your choice, but I personally prefer Pam spray. We will just flip it once and then it's ready. Alright, our bun is ready now for burgers. I like to use the Sambal Olive brand for this chili paste, which I like to put it on the bun, and it tastes really good. So it makes it a little bit spicy as well. Let's take them out in a small bowl, which will be easier for us to do the spread. We're ready to make our burgers. Alright, so now we have our chili paste spread on our buns. Now we have some onion, tomatoes, and some spring mix, which I really like it, and it tasted so good. Let's take our burger and stack it, and some more spring mix, and another slice of tomatoes and onion, and a bun to top it. There you go. I forgot my chili paste on the bun, so let's do it and top it. And there you go, my friends. Here is your tofu burger. Likewise, let's make our other burgers as well. The beetroot burger that we made, and also our potato piece burger. Here you go, our burgers are ready. Tofu burger, our beetroot beans burger, and the potato piece burger. This looks so yummy. I cannot wait to try it. Please give it a try to this recipe, and if you like the burgers and our other recipes, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and check out our recipes. Thank you so much for watching.